What up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, no? Panoorin na itong Shaggy D performance po ng BINI, no? I mean, hindi pala ito performance guys, no? Ito pala mismo guys yung kanilang music video guys, official music video ng Shaggy D, no? So, tara panoorin na ito. So, hindi ko siya nagawa ng video, no? Reaction video kahapon since pagod na to the box talaga tayo guys, as in, galing tayong bohol sa mga boholanos dyan, napakasolid talaga ang lugar ng bohol, no? Ayun, pumunta kami ron. Work-related siya guys, no? Ayun, yun. Nagaling kami ron. May event yung company namin. So, pagoda. Kahapon lang kami umuwi eh. Bala ko sana mag-video kaso wala. Bagsak talaga ang aking energy guys. 4 days, 5 days yata kami doon, no? So, solid. Okay, tara. Panoorin na ito, no? And, tara. Let's go. Yes, kita-kita skate parks. Hindi ako mag-skate Stacy. Laro ng Shaggy D.
You guys know Shaggy Shababa? What's that?
You might be slick, but
You ain't slicker than me.
you might be 4'2",
But I'm 1, 2, 3. Rotate that body.
then touch your feet. Oh my gosh,
Like OMG.
Shaggy, shaggy, shababa, shaggy, shaggy, shababa, shaggy, shaggy, shababa. Shaggy, shaggy, shababa, shaggy, shaggy, shababa, shaggy, shaggy, shababa. Do my, now do my dance, do my,
Saan tong skate park?
now do my
Sa Pinas ba to?
now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance. Ako sa'yo na di mo kaya to. Sisimpihan ka pa, parang baka gaya ka. Basta nagsimula na isusundan na. But I bet you can dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Hop foot, rock, and a drop real quick. Go ahead to the right, then left, and then
Rotate that body. Go put in work.
Oh, ang sabog na Shino.
gosh.
Who's going time first?
Shaggy, shaggy, shababa. 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 Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance. Do ya, now do your dance. Do ya, now do your dance. Do ya, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance. She's something cap, she's
Ganda ng
something
transition
cap,
doon,
they jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up.
I rock, she rock and snap, then lean. I bet you won't be me.
Nah, I bet you won't be me.
Watch me.
Shaggy, shaggy, shababa. Shaggy, shaggy, shababa. Shaggy, shaggy,
Wow.
shababa.
Ang ganda ng shot na to guys. So, gabi siya pero ang ganda ng... For me, ang ganda. Sobra.
Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your,
Ooh,
now do
sublime.
your dance. Do your, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance.
Bilang imig na yung buhok ni Sheena. Ba, si Sheena ang ender ah. 2 minutes na talaga yung Shaggy D na. So ayun guys, no? For me ay yung Shaggy D nila. Talaga napaka-Pinoy-like na. And idagdag ko po talaga guys yung napakagandang color grading, napakagandang effects talaga ng video nila. Isa yun sa nagpapa-add sa akin ng effects, yung mga ganong klaseng music video talaga. Yung bilib na bilib ako pag sobrang ganda ng kulay talaga ng music video. At the same time guys, ano yun eh, hindi ko na kailangan i-comment pa yung talent ng BINI guys. So, napakasolid ng BINI to the point na talagang pag gumawa sila ng music video, wala kang makikita awkwardness, as in sobrang solid, no? Ayun, Shaggy D, Pinoy game siya, tapos in-incorporate ng BINI na napaka-Pinoy-like. Gusto ko naman naman kung saan yung skate park na yun, napakaganda ng skate park na yun. Sa Pinas ba yun, no? Hindi kasi ako skater, kaya hindi ko So, ayun guys, ang ganda na itong Shaggy D, no? So, I'm waiting sa dance practice nito guys, no? Itong Shaggy D. Even though na marami tayo nakikita na performance video, live video na full talaga yung choreography niya, pero alam niyo, iba talaga pag yung full choreography talaga na na dance practice, no? As in wala masyadong galaw, as in mabubuhos lahat ng BINI yung energy nila sa pagsasayaw, no? Kasi hindi na kailangan kumanta sa dance practice, no? So waiting tayo doon. Pero so far guys, napakaganda nito Shaggy D guys. So, solid music video, no? Very fitting lang sa personality talaga ng Bini po talaga. No? So, guys, maraming salamat. So, this is po yung pinag-peace, let's G.